welcome to part 7 of the Autodesk Inventor 101 The Basics series. In this episode, we'll take a look at how you can quickly edit existing 3D CAD geometry. Starting with a filleted cylinder with a 3-hole circular pattern, we'll see just how different we can make this design without adding any additional sketches or features. From the model tree, right-click on Sketch 1 underneath Extrusion 1 and simply change the diameter of the circle from 2 inches to 3. Pressing Finish Sketch, the cylindrical extrusion will automatically update, most easily noticed by seeing how far away from the edge the 3 holes now are. Next, let's increase the thickness of the cylinder. By right-clicking on Extrusion 1 and changing the extrude distance to a ½ inch, the extrusion will update and you'll see the 3 holes no longer cut through the entire cylinder. Moving to Sketch 2, right-click and reduce the hole diameter to 0.125. After finishing the sketch, notice how much smaller the holes are and that they are much more closely clustered now. Now, just like when we increase the thickness of Extrusion 1, do the same thing for Extrusion 2. This time, the end result will be that the holes now cut the entire way through the cylinder once again. If we would have originally used the through-all extrusion option, this step wouldn't be necessary. Going back to Sketch 2, add a dimension of a ½ inch from the center of the cylinder to the center of the hole. This will be important when we edit the existing circular pattern, which we will do now. After right-clicking on Circular Pattern in the model tree, choose to increase the number of circles in the pattern from 3 to 6. Finally, choose to increase the fillet radius from 0.0625 to ¼ inch. Looking at a quick side-by-side comparison of the original geometry with the new modified CAD model, you can see that without creating any additional sketches or features, we've significantly changed the design. Well, that was simple. Join me again next episode for part 8 of the Autodesk Inventor 101 The Basics series, where I'll take a look at creating parts for later use in assemblies, the shell command, and more.